Now, this is what you call a whole house renovation.
Here guys, getting ready to start on this new project right here. We're gonna do a total rehab on this one. It's a doozy, fully really junky inside here. We're just starting to do our clean out. So I just want to show you guys what it looked like now. And as we go through the process of getting it together, you know, you would see the different progress we have made and, you know, what it was and, you know, what it has become. So let me just show you guys what it looked like right now. So this is the porch area right here. You can see it's full of junk. This is the living room area. The guys upstairs are tossing down some bags with trash, clothes, mostly clothes and different stuff like that. So this is what we're looking at right now. This is the living room area. Dining room back there. We're gonna just walk back there real quick. Living room / dining room right here is supposedly the kitchen right now. And kitchen, dining room, and then back here you have your refrigerator and this extra room back here, like a shed. But we're gonna actually take out all these walls. This wall here will be gone. This wall here will be gone. Take the kitchen back to the back wall back there, and so on and stuff like that there. I'm not gonna go down in the basement. It's really dark down there, so we'll just bypass that. And we're gonna just walk upstairs real quick, if I can pass. There's all this trash in the way here. Yeah, so this is the back room right here. My man back here is doing some cleaning out right here, getting all this stuff up so we can get out of here. This is our beautiful bathroom right here. We have one bedroom here. Not a bedroom, I mean, this middle bedroom right here. Have a closet here in the hallway. There's something tiny. Then you have the front bedroom here. So we're gonna rip all this stuff down and get her all cleaned up and get ready to start rock and roll. I'll keep you guys up with the progress. Take it easy. Triple J out. Peace.